It's me.
Hey, welcome.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Thank you. Good. In the nighttime, you can go walk from there. We have to main square. Lots of people there. Many people. They sell food, open air, restaurants.
Yeah.
They sell juice, snake charmers,
I want to see a snake charmer. One big square in endless miles and miles of ceiling, wall, shops on all sides. Never ending. Forever. But now we're searching for a snake charmer. Looking for snakes. Snakes are next on the list. It's like we're at the zoo. They're not doing it, are they? Yo, they are! Oh my gosh. What? No, this is one for snakes. We don't do this, no poison. Not poisonous? No poison. What's your name? Adam. Good luck, inshallah, for you.
You touched the snake to your head, dude.
I know.
How did that feel?
It was scary.
Did you have any choice in the matter?
No, he just did it. Goodness. Right there. What, would it bite me?
No. It's just for him. It's for him. It's for him.
The cobras were scaring me though. Like, are they gonna move towards me? He was using my phone to hit it.
Yeah,
it was insane.
I am not interested in this anymore. I am done. No more snakes.
We found the snake.
I'm done with the snakes. Definitely done with the snakes.
Hey, do you want it? No, I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. No. I don't want it. No. No, I don't want to. No. I just gave all my money away. Here. No. Monkeys. Alright, this is the first vlog I've ever done. I'm hoping to make a bunch more of these. If you liked it at all, subscribe. This much. Just this much. It's all you needed to like it. Again, it's my first one, so they're only going to get better. I've got a bunch more stuff from Morocco. I've got other ideas too. Subscribe. More stuff will be on the way.